Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Solution Provider, a complete course on CATIA. In this video, we will take one example on solid combine command, how to make a fork-end of a knuckle joint by using solid combine command. You can see this is the fork-end and we will create this by using solid combine command. And this is the drafting view. From the help of these dimensions and the profile sketch, we will create fork-end. So just Control N, part, and you can name fork-end, enter. First we will make a front view. I will take a pick point from this circle. You can take your own pick point. Then I will select a profile line, straight line up this line. This point is coincide as per the sketch, and then the tangent curve. So I can make a line which is tangent to this line, and again a tangent curve. One straight line, double click to exit. Now give dimensions. This one is a horizontal line. Okay, distance from here to here. We will give the dimension later on. First make the sketch fully constrained. This dimension is not there. I have this dimension as per sketch. Here to here distance from center line to last point. This line must be horizontal from here to here. This is a horizontal measure distance 0, fine. This one. Now the sketch is fully constrained. Now click the edit multi constraint. All the dimensions under this dialog box, and you can add it one by one. The first, this diameter radius is. Diameter it is asking here, it is radius, so I just need to give radius 15. The offset is 0, okay, fine. This dimension is 25. You can check from top view. This need not to give a enter one by one. First we will enter all the dimension, then we will give a enter or OK click. This dimension is 30. This one is 20. This one is 35, 25, the last one is, this one is 15. Now you may just give OK, and we have fully constrained dimensions. Now select the sketch, this curve, this one. Select the mirror command, mirror about this axis, select the trim, and you may trim this portion. Just close the sketch. The front view is completed. Now select the top view, top plane, position sketch, orient your plane as per, yes. Now one circle, then profile line, and the line will be closed here only. Vertical line. Unselect this. You can this distance we know is 130, and here to here is 15. Make it 15, and the diameter is 50. Okay, just mirror this profile about the horizontal axis. This one, trim this portion, select the corner points, fillet, the radius is 25, enter. Okay, the sketch is fully constrained and closed, exit. Select solid combine command, first sketch, then second sketch, and we will get the union trim. Okay. Now we need one hole here. Select this surface, hole command, position sketch. You just need to concentric this point about this curve. Then you just give right click, concentricity, exit. Up to last, diameter will be 25. And on this portion we have one octagonal, like you may see here. we have an octagonal, so we will create this octagonal and then we will make this chamfer. Just look how we are making. We will make a sketch on this surface and we will make a revolve or a groove about this axis. Dimension we have in the sketch or in the drafting view. So we will take first. You can extract this line, so you may, or just extract this point. I will extracting this point, make a pick point. So I can get a, okay, then unactive this command, file line, this one, tangent. Now close this sketch, double click on the constraints, dimensions, and this one. What are our dimensions? This is 8.65, 8.65. This one again 8.65, 8.65. The overall length is 25.28. And that's it. Select a groove command. This sketch I want to rotate about this axis. Now I want octagonal, so I need this material removal groove command on this corner, this one and this. So I will use a circular pattern. We have not covered this command under this CATIA training module, but in later videos I will explain this command in a better way, but here you just look how to use this command. I want on a complete crown over the 360, so I will select complete crown. How many instances including this? 4. Reference element, over which axis you want to rotate? Y axis. Which part do you want to rotate? Only this. You may select here this groove command. Preview. Okay. Now how to make this chamfer over these corners? So select the front view again, front plane again, front plane. You can orient your plane. Okay, fine. Again select the pick corner point as this, make it construction, so the point will not make any open sketch trajectory in the 3D view. And now this one and this one, and you can give the dimension. If you want 60 degree chamfer, you just make it 60 degree or a dimension you want as per your sketch. And then groove, about which axis? About the Y axis. Preview. Okay, now we have one shaft over this surface with a diameter of 30 mm. So I will select this portion or our surface. Orientation is accept, and I will make one concentric circle with a diameter 25. That's it. And you can simply add material by using a pad command, or how much of material? 30 mm. Now this is the fork end of a knuckle joint by using the solid combine command. We have practiced in this example 3 commands: groove, solid combine and pad command. If you feel any query while practicing these commands, you can ask under the comment box, or you can reach me by using my mail ID under description. And if you want this drafting worksheet for practice, you will get a link under description. Thank you very much. This is Ant for today. Stay fit and fine. Bye.